Look at this digital storefront. It is glowing, flawless, perfectly optimized, and designed to capture your full attention. In the modern digital economy, this is the feed we all see. Perfectly curated guest speaker lineups, high engagement reels, and a timeline that broadcasts constant, undeniable momentum. Then comes the moment of truth. An audience member decides to buy in, clicks a link, enters their payment details, and officially crosses the threshold from follower to client. But instead of the premium experience promised by the packaging, the delivery collapses. The welcome link leads to a 404 page. The new client has to email a team member just to find the schedule. They finally show up to a session, only to be asked to repeat basic information they already provided. The entire delivery is amateur. This diagram shows the gap between optics and operations. Up top is the brightly lit packaging. Down below is the chaotic reality of the actual service. For modern digital businesses, this invisible operational gap is a silent leak. It slowly drains away growth, completely neutralizing the value of a massive social media following. Founders do not build broken onboarding processes out of laziness or dishonesty. The root of the problem is human psychology. Posting a polished graphic yields an immediate reward. An audience responds. Likes accumulate. The brain registers a quick hit of validation and interprets that response as real business progress. Now compare that to the delayed gratification of building a functional client intake pipeline. Wiring your payment processor to your email software, mapping out an automated onboarding sequence, and testing access links offers zero public applause. There are no viral metrics for a smooth workflow. Because the human brain naturally optimizes for quick, visible rewards, entrepreneurs chronically abandon the invisible infrastructure that actually sustains their revenue. This flowchart shows what a system actually is, the continuous path your client walks, starting the moment they click the link in your bio. But a broken system introduces friction. The path hits a dead end, history is lost, and the client restarts from scratch. The brutal reality is your new client does not grade your onboarding against direct competitors. They grade you against the seamless experiences of the global tech giants they use every day. When an app anticipates their next question and perfectly remembers their purchase history, a strict baseline expectation for professionalism is set. Every clumsy interaction with your business generates psychological doubt. The client actively wonders if they made a mistake in hiring you. Friction breeds doubt, and doubt kills commitment. Your brand's back-end infrastructure is the ultimate uncompromising pass or fail test for survival. This network graph reveals the compounding cost of a disappointed client. A negative experience does not remain isolated. One frustrated customer immediately infects the network around them. This invisible word of mouth mathematically outpaces traditional marketing, poisoning future prospects before you ever meet them. But when a system works, the entire dynamic flips. A frictionless intake process creates an immediate, unconscious sense of psychological relief for the buyer. They feel taken care of. That flawless delivery rewrites the client's relationship to the brand, turning them into an organic, aggressive advocate for your work. Looking successful on social media demands an exhausting, continuous performance. Actually being successful requires building an invisible engine that speaks on your behalf.